In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a space in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's head over to the Slack website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Slack URL. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the landing page, which is your gateway to all things Slack. Now locate and click on the Sign in with Google option. This is a quick and convenient way to access your Slack workspaces, especially if your Slack account is linked to your Google account. Enter your credentials as prompted to log in. Once successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Slack dashboard. This is your central hub from where you can manage all your communications and tasks. Now to add a new space or workspace, you'll need to navigate to a specific channel. In this case, head over to the All Joshua Media channel within Joshua Media. If you're unfamiliar, channels are essentially conversation threads dedicated to specific topics or projects. This is important because from here you'll be able to manage your work environment and get started on creating a new space. Next, look towards the upper part of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon. This is the starting point for managing your Slack presence, from updating your status to adding new work environments. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the profile icon, you'll see an option that reads Add a Workspace. Click on that option. This will prompt you to either create or join a new workspace, allowing you to expand your professional network or project base within Slack. Now click on Create a New Workspace. If you find yourself regularly switching between multiple projects or teams, creating a new workspace is a great solution for keeping things organized and compartmentalized. At this point, you'll need to enter an email address to continue the setup process for your new workspace. Click on First, enter your email, and make sure you use an email that you'll have easy access to. After entering your email, proceed by clicking on Continue. This step confirms your entry and initiates the workspace creation process. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully navigated through the steps to add a new workspace on Slack. This is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their collaborative efforts or organize various projects effectively. Feel free to pause and go back if you need clarification on any step. And don't hesitate to explore Slack's other features, as they can significantly boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy slacking.